Hi there, welcome back to A Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and I am taking you along on my craft room organization journey. We are looking at a massive pile with more stuff falling off on the sides of my Felicity Jane embellishments. So these are the ones that I just pulled out of kits because I condensed all my cardstock into one grouping, and now I want to do the same with all of the embellishments. So earlier, I don't even know how long ago it was now, I did this with a bunch of collections that were on their last legs, so to speak. And so I already have some of like the chipboard and ephemera pieces sorted by color. I do have them in bags. It's not my favorite storage system, but at least they are sorted by color, so it works. Ultimately, I would probably like to transfer these all to binders like I've done all my other storage, but for now I think we're just going to stick with my existing system and get this under control. So let me do a preliminary sort and I'll come back and show you what's what. Okay, I have some 6x6 paper, which I am just going to move this over to my 6x6 paper collection and we will deal with this at another time. I have a bunch of alphas. These are just going to go where my alphas are. Am I going to necessarily go through these at this point in time? Probably not. I'm just going to stack them with all the other ones, and that will be another project for another day. Another category that I have are bulky items. So these would be things like these felt leaves. I've got pocket fronts, cardstock fringe, pom-pom trim. These enamel dot type, or they call them epoxy dots, are going to go with my enamel dot collection. I've got some wood veneer, some buttons. This is going to go with my wood veneer stuff. This is going to go in with my buttons. Those are pretty easy. I didn't say what I was going to do with these, did I? So I have a bin with felt shapes, so that's probably where those are going to go. I have a bin with tags and pockets where that's going to go. I don't know what I'm going to do with this fringe. No idea. I don't have anything like it. I've got a couple containers with charms, so that's probably what I'll do with those. These are sequins. Of course, that'll go with my sequin and other embellishments. Here, let's see, what do we got? I've got some cork leaves and some vellum leaves, and I will probably put these in my die cut sticker binder. And the cork, if they will fit in the same pockets that I'm going to use for the vellum, that's where I will put them. Otherwise I will come up with another plan. More felt shapes. I have some rubber charms. I do have a container full of rubber charms, so I think that's where those are going to end up. These are envelopes, so you know where those are. I also have a container with bows, and I have a container for flare, and these are some more rubber charms. These are round chipboard shapes. I'm probably just going to treat these like everything else that would normally go in a die cut sticker binder, but I am going to add to my embellishment bags. So let me show you what those bags look like, and then I will get started on this. Okay, so this may or may not work. I was thinking I still had plenty of room in here, but I don't know if I do. I think I still will do a preliminary sort into these bags just because I have to sort them anyways if I'm going to put them in a binder. So for example, like I have a bag with that light pink. I have a bag with that kind of reddy color. So I have some stuff already preliminary sorted. It's just going to be a matter of me going through and adding more stuff on here. Now, obviously, I didn't think about the stickers. In my mind, I was thinking die cut sticker binder, but I really do think these need to go in a binder. But I don't really want to do all of this right now. So I might do some sort of hybrid, I think. Stickers will stickers. Oh, I don't know. It just seems like such a big task. Okay. Make a decision, Melanie. Make a decision. Okay, I'm gonna start with the stickers in the sticker binder. If it's going well, I will continue with the rest of these. And if I get tired of doing it, whatever's left over will go in the bags. And then maybe at some point down the road, I will transfer the bags to the die cut sticker binder concept. And what I'm referring to by that, by the way, if you haven't watched my other videos, I basically take page protectors, slide in a piece of cardstock, and then I attach ephemera and stickers to the outside of the page protector with a little bit of ATG tape, or of course if they're stickers, they're already adhesive. They peel off pretty easily, and this just allows me to flip through a lot of what I have very, very quickly. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to, because I just got too much stuff and it's not all gonna fit in here anyways. So there you go. I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Well, that was a project. So I do have a binder now full of Felicity Jane stickers and ephemera. I did do them by color so that if I want to take these and put these in my black section of my regular colored binders, I can. I did break some of these categories down into smaller categories so that the light colors are still somewhat together, which makes sense if I do want to use them with Felicity Jane products. And you can see I was busy, and this was a lot of work. In fact, this is just the stuff that I had loose. So all of those items that I said that I had in this bag, in the little die cut bags, yeah, they're not in here. That may be a project for another day, but for now I am okay with just having these ones done. For now I'm going to leave them in their own binder. I will probably label it Felicity Jane, something to that effect. And like I've said before, this organization process is a constant process of evaluation. And so if this doesn't work, having it separate and it makes more sense to mix it in with my regular colors, then that's what I'll do. And it's not necessarily a bad thing to have items stored in a couple different places if you know that that's where they are, right? So now I know all my Felicity Jane stickers and ephemera are in the binder or in this bin. That's manageable. What started this whole process this year of going through my space was that I had too many spaces where stuff was. Like I had Christmas paper in, or Christmas supplies in a bin, in bags, in collection kits spread throughout the whole craft room, and that was just too much and I lost track of what I had. So again, this is where it is right now. Maybe it'll change, maybe I'll add these to that. Only time will tell. So that is another piece of my craft room that's been sorted and gone through. I'm really pleased with the progress I made, even though if it took me a while. Fortunately for you, with the wonders of editing, it won't have been that cumbersome. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys find these kind of videos encouraging to tackle your space, and I'd love to hear how your journey is going. Thanks again, and until next time, happy organizing.